nice short road trip just across town, 20 miles or so. I'm glad you're going with me. It'll make it more pleasant to have some company. So I'm going to go ahead and drive, and I'll check back in with you in just a few seconds. Center. Got the product we went after, and now we're heading home, and I'll show you what we're gonna do with it. So just ride along. That's right, we are back. We went on our journey, we got what we wanted, and we came back. I only bought the one item, which is actually two items, but what we ended up buying was a Crucial, that's the manufacturer, RAM memory update. This MacBook Pro, it's a mid-2010, it came with 4 gigs of RAM. And I noticed that my video editing is extremely slow. And this is going to double it up to 8 gigs. So we're going to take the back cover off. We've unplugged it, we've turned it off. And we're going to be using the tiny screwdrivers because these screws are very tiny. So we're going to take the screws out, and when I get those out, I'll come back and show you. It's my understanding that there are 2 of them that are longer than the other, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other 8. So I need to remember where those came out. So we're going to take this apart, and then I'll be right back. I was incorrect. There are actually 3 screws that are longer than the other 7. So we've got the screws out. We're going to take the back cover off and flip it around. And okay. There's one, and there's 2. Now, supposedly there are 2 of them already in here, so we're going to try to get this one out. There are little tabs here on the side, and we will just open those up, and that pops right out. And that pulls out, and then underneath it there's another one with another set of tabs that we pop, and that one pops out. Not quite so easily, but supposedly it will pop out. I really should have smaller hands to be able to do this. Okay, so that's the two memories. I'm going to put this in exactly the same manner. Okay, that one goes in like so and snaps down into position. And this one goes in the same way. Yep. Top goes back on. Just like that. Screws should go back in the same way they came out. We have all of these screws back in. We have the two new memory cards in. We have the old memory cards here that we took out. And we are going to put our power supply back in here, and we're going to turn it on and see what happens. So I'll get back with you. If it blows up, I really don't want you guys to see that. So stay right there. Okay, we have everything reassembled. Got the computer turned back on. And I'm getting ready to click on iMovie and see how long it takes it to load, because previously it's been like between 2 and 4 minutes for it to finally load up and come up on the screen. So we're going to see how long this takes. So we're going to click on iMovie and see what happens. And I'm usually waiting. Whoa, that's smoking. That's pretty fast. I'm kind of impressed. Okay, that's awesome. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and continue, and I will have some final thoughts at the end of this. So stick around for those. I'm glad you stuck around. This was a very easy project. Before doing this, I checked with Apple, the Apple Store, and they wanted a little over $400 for the 2 RAM memory cards and to install them. I bought these at Micro Center. Well, you know, you were with me. And it was like $49.95 plus tax. So saved about $350. And if I can do this, anybody can do it, because I've never had to back off of this computer before since 2010. So it's simple. It's easy. There are YouTube videos that you can watch to learn how to do it, if this one wasn't clear enough. But anyway, if you need to upgrade your RAM memory, do it yourself, because you're going to save a lot of money. I am going to process this video as soon as I upload this sequence and see how long that takes. Hopefully it will be much speedier than what it was before. And I think that's it for this time. Until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.